Before humans came to New Zealand, the landscape looked less like this and more like this. Settlers cut down trees for timber or to sow pastures for grazing. We quickly ran out of timber and needed exotic trees to replace our supply. Radiata pine was easy and fast to grow, so it quickly became our favourite. Now over 90% of New Zealand's timber comes from this one species. Radiata pine has traditionally been planted on marginal farmland, often to control gorse and provide a long-term investment. Recently, the emissions trading scheme has made forestry more attractive by offering an income in exchange for planting trees to offset our national emissions. Carbon farming has quickly spread, sparking controversy as plantations are accused of locking away productive land. There are many problems with relying this heavily on radiata pine. Pests like bark beetles and diseases like red needlecast are already here. Pine is also vulnerable to wind throw, and fire can decimate our stands, sending those captured emissions right back into the atmosphere. When we clear fell pine stands, the roots left behind quickly rot away, creating a window of vulnerability to erosion. Harvesting this way also causes major disruptions to the ecosystem. The timber we get is now mostly sold to China as cheap, unpruned stems, meaning profit margins are small and volatile. We can do better. In 2022, the Forestry and Wood Industry Transformation Plan recognised many of these challenges. Together, government and industry emphasise the need to produce higher value wood products locally. To do this, we need to improve collaboration, diversify our forests, modernise our technology, and expand our markets. New Zealand can provide global leadership in low-carbon engineered wood products and biofuels. Achieving these goals while maintaining agricultural productivity means integrating trees and farmland. Agroforestry enhances both environmental and economic resilience. We can retire marginal land into wetlands and native forests on highly erodible slopes. We can graze sheep beneath widely spaced poplars, increasing soil pH and offering shade to livestock and grass during increasingly warm summers. Where we do plant trees for timber, we can choose continuous cover forestry. In the future, drone-based silviculture and target diameter harvesting will minimise ecosystem disruption while providing a steady supply of high-quality timber. With added value from sawmills, our timber products will fetch much higher prices, both domestically and overseas. No longer monolithic blankets of evenly spaced Pinus radiata, our forests can become havens for New Zealand's taona, investments in the wealth and well-being of future generations.